I'm your rich uncle. I want to see my family win, follow my advice. And you'll be the rich uncle in your family. Starting from zero can feel overwhelming, but turning $0 into online income is absolutely possible with the right approach. In this video, we'll break down a simple step-by-step path anyone can follow, even if you have no experience, no audience, and no upfront budget. You'll learn how to identify a profitable skill or opportunity. Choose a beginner-friendly platform and take your first small but meaningful action toward earning online. From setting up free tools to finding your first client or sale, each step is designed to help you build momentum without confusion. If you're ready to move from zero to your first dollar online, this guide will show you exactly how to start. Today we will talk about how to turn $0 into online income step by step. So before we start, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. 1. Understanding the zero to income mindset. Turning $0 into online income begins with the right mindset. Many beginners assume they need money to make money, but the internet offers countless opportunities that require little to no upfront investment. Only time, consistency, and effort. The first step is shifting your perspective from, I don't have resources, to, I can use free resources creatively. This includes free platforms, free learning materials, and free tools that allow you to start immediately. Instead of waiting for perfect conditions, focus on taking action with what you already have: a smartphone or computer, an internet connection, and a willingness to learn. The key is to accept that progress may be slow at first, but consistency compounds over time. Most successful online earners started exactly where you are, without capital, but with persistence and a clear direction. Building this mindset early helps you stay motivated when results are not immediate and prevents you from quitting too soon. Once you understand that effort and strategy matter more than money at the start, you're ready to move on to the practical steps of building income streams. 2. Identifying skills or opportunities that require no investment. The next step is identifying a path that aligns with zero budget earning. There are two main approaches: skill-based income and opportunity-based income. Skill-based income involves offering services such as writing, graphic design, video editing, social media management, or virtual assistants. These skills can be learned for free through online tutorials and practiced without cost. Opportunity-based income includes affiliate marketing, content creation, reselling digital products, or drop shipping using free trials or minimal setups. The best approach for beginners is to choose one direction and focus on it, instead of trying multiple things at once. Evaluate your interests, strengths, and the amount of time you can dedicate daily. For example, if you enjoy writing, freelance content writing might be ideal. If you prefer visual work, design, or video editing could be better. The goal is not to find the perfect option, but to pick something actionable and start immediately. Many beginners get stuck in research mode, but income only starts when execution begins. Choosing a simple, clear path helps you avoid overwhelm and builds momentum faster. 3. Learning the basics using free resources. Once you've chosen a direction, the next step is learning the fundamentals. Fortunately, the internet is filled with free educational content that can help you develop marketable skills. Platforms like YouTube, blogs, and free courses provide step-by-step guidance on almost every online skill. Instead of consuming random content, follow structured learning paths. For example, if you choose freelance writing, learn about grammar, formatting, SEO basics, and how to write compelling content. If you choose graphic design, start with tools like Canva and learn design principles such as color theory, typography, and layout. Dedicate time daily to learning and practicing simultaneously. The key is to avoid tutorial overload and focus on applying what you learn in real-world scenarios. Practice is more important than theory because clients and customers pay for results, not knowledge. Even 1 to 2 hours per day of focused learning and application can significantly improve your skills within weeks. This phase is about building confidence and competence so you can offer value to others. 4. Setting up free platforms to start earning. After gaining basic knowledge, the next step is setting up platforms where you can start earning without any investment. Freelance marketplaces, social media platforms, and content platforms all offer free access to beginners. Create profiles on platforms where your target audience is active. For freelancers, this might include freelance marketplaces where clients post jobs. For content creators, platforms like YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram can be used to build an audience. Optimize your profile with a clear description of what you offer, even if you're just starting. You don't need experience to begin. Focus on presenting your willingness to deliver value. Use a simple portfolio showcasing sample work you've created during your practice phase. This acts as proof of your capability. Free tools like Google Docs, Canva, or basic video editors can help you create this portfolio. The goal here is to make yourself visible online and position yourself where opportunities can find you. Without visibility, even good skills won't generate income. 5. Taking your first action, landing your first client or sale. The most critical step in turning $0 into income is taking action to secure your first client or sale. This step often requires outreach, consistency, and patience. If you're freelancing, start by applying to beginner-friendly jobs with personalized proposals that highlight how you can solve the client's problem. Focus on quality over quantity when applying. If you're building an audience, begin posting valuable content consistently. Your first goal is not perfection, but traction. It's normal to face rejection or silence in the beginning, but persistence is what separates those who succeed from those who quit. Keep improving your approach based on feedback and results. Even small wins, like landing a low-paying gig or getting your first few views or followers, are important milestones. These early successes build confidence and validate your chosen path. Once you secure your first income, no matter how small, you've proven the model works, and scaling becomes much easier from there. 6. Building consistency and improving your output. After your initial success, the focus should shift toward consistency and improvement. Online income is rarely about one-time effort. It's about building a repeatable process. Whether you're freelancing or creating content, consistency helps you gain visibility, trust, and experience. Set a daily or weekly routine that includes learning, practicing, and executing. For freelancers, this means regularly applying for jobs, improving your proposals, and delivering high-quality work. For content creators, it means posting consistently and analyzing what type of content performs best. Over time, you'll begin to understand patterns, what clients want, what content gets engagement, and what strategies produce results. Use feedback as a tool for improvement rather than criticism. Small improvements compound into significant progress over time. As your skills improve, you can increase your rates, attract better clients, or grow a larger audience. Consistency is the bridge between starting at $0 and building sustainable income. 7. Scaling your income streams. Once you start earning consistently, the next step is scaling your income. Scaling means increasing your earnings without necessarily increasing your workload proportionally. This can be done by raising your rates, offering additional services, automating repetitive tasks, or expanding into multiple income streams. For example, a freelancer might start with one service and later bundle services or specialize in a niche to charge higher rates. A content creator might monetize through ads, sponsorships, affiliate marketing, or digital products. Diversifying income sources reduces risk and increases stability. Another important aspect of scaling is reinvesting time and possibly earnings into improving your skills, tools, or marketing efforts. At this stage, you move from survival mode to growth mode. The goal is to create systems that generate income more efficiently over time. Scaling requires strategic thinking, but it becomes possible once you've established a foundation and understand what works best for you.